For a long time, I've had a folder on my computer called Script Idea, and I would throw all sorts of things in there. Fantastic ideas for a future script to work on, scenes that felt vibrant to me, that I might one day bring to life, or images. They were seeds. Some vibrated strongly, others were just an echo, but almost all of them remained on hold, not for lack of passion, but for lack of time, resources, or simply because life kept moving on. Creativity didn't die out, but it stayed there, within the four walls of that fantastic folder, until artificial intelligence arrived. Today, thanks to AI tools, those dormant ideas are waking up. Not all of them turn into scripts or finished works, but they mutate, they transform into clips, images, short films, visual treatments, experiments that bring agility back to my creative practice. AI, when used well, doesn't replace anything, it expands. It provides daily muscle to explore, prototype, play, and refine. For those of us who make a living from storytelling, screenwriters, directors, narrative designers, AI is an open laboratory, 24/7, and tireless collaborator that never gets exhausted, offering variations, possible structures, and unexpected paths. But let's not get it twisted. That muscle doesn't replace the soul. The spark is still human. And that's where the real revolution begins. AI democratizes creation. You no longer need a big budget to visualize a scene, put together a teaser, or build an aesthetic universe. All you need is a vision, an inner urgency, a story that needs to be told. But this democratization isn't free. It demands ethics and purpose, because now it's easier to create. It's also easier to create things that are meaningless, hollow ideas, rootless aesthetics, stories without a heartbeat. And it's precisely in this scenario where authenticity becomes essential. That visceral urge to tell something because it burns inside you, because if you don't tell it, maybe no one will. Technology shouldn't distance us from that truth. On the contrary, it should help us reach it with more clarity, more precision, more courage. That's why I believe that, now more than ever, the key question isn't, what can I generate? But rather, why do I want to tell this? Being aware of the why is the compass for the artists of the future. It's not enough to produce. You have to feel, you have to discern, you have to decide which story deserves to be told and how, and let that inner vision always guide you. It's not about fearing AI, nor about worshiping it either. It's about integrating it for what it is, a powerful tool, but blind without a clear vision behind it. I choose to use this tool, but every time I open a generation window, I ask myself the same questions. What do I want to talk about? What do I want to say? Why and how? If I can't find the answers, I don't go on, because only then will the spark, the human one, stay alive in everything we do, no matter what machine we use.
Used to fill up folders with half-dreamt scenes, files named someday, maybe you'll see. Seeds of stories trapped in time, some loud as thunder, some barely a chime.